My phone just went off and I thought it was recording, and now I'm not so sure if my phone was recording this whole time. So I am going to go back. Hi, I'm Catherine, right back there. Gustav! It's my service doggy training, Gustav Olivier. He's a standard poodle. He does life-saving medical alerts and medical response. My previous video, I unboxed and used for the first time the Glow Facial from BeautyBio. It comes in this box. The Extract, Infuse, Clarify. It is amazing. Then I opened up these BeautyBio Perfecting Blendrops Broad Spectrum SPF40 Oil Control Invisible Finish Priming Drops with Color Correcting Tranexamic Complex. It's oil-free SPF primer and skincare. Auto adjusts to your skin tone. This is what the box looks like if you are out shopping, or you can go to the BeautyBio website, and I will hopefully have a little discount code for you all, and I will leave that down below in the description. It may be one where I get a little money when you use my code, but I want to be transparent about that, and I will leave all that information down below. So I just put some on, and it definitely gives, you can see like some irregular skin stuff I've got going on, but definite glow. I'm gonna go ahead and put one finger more on. So it says shake while you do want to store flat. So I'm gonna do the one finger. Oh, it comes out beautifully. Hold on. Like that. I'll show you. And I'm going to sort of tap in tops of my ears. Oh, and I had port surgery. Look, the one that was removed and I had sepsis. It's looking so much better, both of them. I'm not as self-conscious about that anymore. Still protecting it from sun. So this is a really quick video. Oh my gosh, you all. So this is the Perfecting Blendrops. When I go and order my Glow Facial Concentrate, so I don't run out, I'm also gonna be, this is the Invisible Finish, the Perfecting Blendrops. You know I'm gonna be ordering Illuminating now too, and leave me a thumbs up and a message down below if you want to see me try those out as well. Even if you don't, I'll probably still share, because why not? Right, let me take this off, shake my hair off. I think this looks amazing. Definitely gives me a little bit of a healthier glow, and it's good for my skin. So that is it for today's video. Once again, I am Catherine from Sewing with Syncope, Poodle and Human. And I'll leave a link to my previous video where I unboxed this BeautyBio Glow Facial that extracts, infuses, and clarifies your skin. You would not believe the stuff that came out. It is wild. I mean, oil. You can see. It's oily, it's cloudy, and like there's all these floaters, whiteheads and blackheads, and Lord knows what else in there. Then we just did this BeautyBio SPF40 Broad Spectrum SPF Oil Finish Invisible Drops Priming Drops. It's amazing. It's not fully like correcting some of my blotchy skin discoloration, but I don't think that's really what it's meant to do. But I love this. This, I'm going to say 9.8 to 10, 100%. And it blends right in. And I'm pale, or this is actually a lot of color for me, but I get really pale. So it can be really tricky to find things like this that are going to match my skin. This matches. I love it. Highly recommend. My service dog is back behind me taking a little nap. I will see if he wants to come say hi really quickly. But I'm Catherine. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you are interested in trying this out or if you've tried it out before. This one is the Perfecting. They have Perfecting, Illuminating, and I think the other one is like a sun-kissed tan bronzing drops. These are incredible. These are viral for a reason. And it says lay flat to store. It's amazing. And it's a nice base. So, oh. So it is really important to me. Gustav, lay down. It's really important to me because of my rare diseases and chronic illness. I don't have a lot of extra energy. And so I'm not spending time doing makeup. I'm doing skincare. So anytime I can find something that's skincare, but also makeup, especially when it also protects me from the sun, I'm doing it. I'm all about that multitasking. So I'm Catherine, and this is my service dog, Gustav Olivier. I will leave a link, try to leave a link to a previous video, and I am chitter-chattering. But that's it for today. Go check out BeautyBio and the Glow Facial and these Perfecting Drops because they're amazing, and you need them. You need them, most definitely. Gustav, do they need these? He says yes, he's over it. See you all later. Bye! Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.